Welcome back. Now across the central Caribbean this evening we did have some shower and thunderstorm activity affect sections of Hispaniola. We have a trough system that is in the mid to upper levels helping to generate this activity. We're not seeing a signature over the open waters. Much of it remains towards the eastern half of the Caribbean. Isolated thunderstorm activity across northern, northeastern sections of the Greater Antilles. We also have a broad area of clouds in the southeastern portion of the Caribbean, another weak trough system across that general area. When we look at the open waters, we'll see generally stable conditions, just one or two scattered low-level clouds, nothing significant at this time. The forecast for tonight has generally fair skies across most of the island. Temperatures are dropping to 24 degrees Celsius both in Kingston and in Montego Bay. Expect 5-knot winds on both the north and south coasts. In the morning tomorrow, expect partly cloudy skies across sections of the east. In the afternoon, isolated showers and scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms are expected. Temperatures reaching 32 degrees Celsius both in Kingston and in Montego Bay. Now across the southeast tomorrow, there are isolated showers and thunderstorms likely in Morant Bay, but it's cloudy to mostly cloudy in Kingston, Halfway Tree, Portmore, Spanish Town and Maypen. Expect thunderstorms for Mandeville, thunderstorms also for Brownstown, St. Anne's Bay, Ocherius. Also in Port Antonio, we do also have some clouds, showers and thunderstorms for sections of Moortown and Richmond. Now the next few days still keeps those shower and thunderstorms in the afternoons across the area on Saturday as well as Sunday and Monday. For the marine forecast, the winds are dropping to 10 knots on the north coast tomorrow from the east-northeast, wave heights reaching 1 meter. We have similar conditions on the south coast with 10-knot winds and 1 meter wave heights. And then when we look at offshore areas, we also have a 10-knot wind regime from the east-northeast. Wave heights are averaging 1 meter. And that's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. But we thank you so much for watching.